Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, we are going to see how we can incorporate triangles in our photography composition to create eye-catching and dynamic photos. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to talk about the use of triangles in our photography composition. Before we start with the video, I want to clear that we are talking about incorporating triangle shapes in our photography composition, and I'm not going to talk about the rule of the golden triangles. I've made a separate tutorial about the golden triangles guys. You can check it out right here and also with the link down below. But now we are going to focus on using triangles in our photography composition as shapes or concepts. Triangles can be found everywhere. Science, architecture, geography, sailboats, food, arrows, aviation, wallpaper, optical illusions, the list goes on. Triangles bring a lot of stability to your image because it is a stable shape by its nature. Now we're going to talk about 3 types of triangles that you can use in your photography composition. Symmetrical triangles are symmetrical, meaning that if I were to divide my triangle from the middle into 2 halves, I will get 2 identical triangles. Symmetrical triangles are more useful in static compositions, subjects which are identical to each other and mirror each other. Scalene triangles have different lengths on all sides, so they don't include symmetry. For example, here the triangle is there, but it takes the eye on a journey around the frame rather than just pretending itself in a static way. Hence, scalene triangles create more of a visual flow rather than symmetrical triangles. An implied triangle is simply a triangle that is partially complete. Implied triangles borrow from different elements in the scene in order to create a triangular-like arrangement in the frame. So it is not a singularly specific triangle that you'll find in the image, but kind of like a borrowed, partially complete triangle. Here is an example of an implied triangle where the subjects create a loose triangular arrangement. Here are a few tips on how you can create beautiful triangle compositions in your photography. Triangles are of various shapes and forms. To add variety to your photos, include different triangle sizes, types, and orientations. This will also help you in developing an eye for the shape. The fun thing about looking for triangles is that once you get the eye of finding them, you'll start finding them everywhere. You can practice by searching for them in your previous photos or photos clicked by others. In your still life photos, you can directly have a triangle shape in your photo, or you can arrange your elements in ways that it gives a triangular or 3-point visual flow. For example, here I have directly arranged my elements to depict a triangle. Or here I have my elements scattered in a way that it shows me an implied triangle indirectly. So next time you're out there with your camera, look for those triangles and try to capture them. If my video helped you do that, give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post more videos. Here is my previous composition tutorial. And here is a playlist that plays all my composition tips. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.